Welcome to the eZee's video tutorials. In this video, we will learn how to add a reservation manually in eZee's Centrix or eZee's reservation system. Let's quickly log in to eZee's Centrix. Upon logging in, we are now redirected to the page where these quick options are available. From here, we will click on the Add Reservation module. We will now fill in all the required details here. Let's select the booking source as booking engine. Based on the booking source selected, we will now select the Internet booking engine as business source, in the selection box here. Now, select the arrival and departure date of the guest's booking. Remember that while making a confirmed booking, the availability should be available for the selected dates, else the booking cannot be confirmed and has to be taken as an inquiry. We will now select the room information. So, let us first select the room category for which the booking is to be made. Let's select the rate plan based on the room category selected. Followed by this, let's enter the number of rooms to be booked. We can also book more than one room type by clicking on Add Another button and entering the details for the second room which would like to be booked. Let's select the number of adults and children from the Adult and Child Select box. By default, rates will appear whichever is defined under Rates and Inventory module. But if we want to enter the manual rates for this guest, please click on the Override Rate checkbox and enter the rate per night for the selected room in the box appearing below. We can click on the Tax Inclusive checkbox if the entered rate is to be considered inclusive of taxes. Now, to add extra charges on top of the room charges, we can select the extras from the available list and adjust their rates accordingly in the box appearing beside each of them. Select the posting rule and charge rule accordingly for the selected extra charges. Moving further, we will enter the guest details here. There are two ways to enter the guest details. The first way is to select the guest profile of a returning guest. Let's enter the first few characters of the guest name here, and click on the search button. From the relevant search result, let's select the required guest profile. The second way is to simply add the details of the new guest. Let's enter the required details for the new guest here. Moving ahead, we can enter the credit card details of the guest, which can later be used for charging the credit card to collect the booking amount from the guest. Let's now select the billing preference from the available list in the Select box. The invoice will be generated on the name of the selected particular in the billing preference. In the Payments option, we can show the advance payment made against the total booking amount. Let's click on the Add button here and enter the amount paid by the guest as deposit, and select the mode of the payment through the available list. Click on the Save button. The payment has been added, and we can now see the deposit amount deducted from the total booking amount and the new outstanding amount of the booking. In the Remarks option, we can add any additional remark for reference. Other details like booking voucher number and the email ID to be added in CC for sending the booking voucher can be entered here. At last, once entered all the details, let's click on the Save button to save the reservation. That's all we have to do. Need to add a reservation manually into the system. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, please click on the like button. Or if you would like to share your valuable feedback, please write it on email address cm@ezeetechnosis.com.